Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and man, I had so much fun flying the Commander. I thought, man, I'll bring the Pitts out. Let's get this thing in the air, and let's see how much fun I can have with it. So let's do it. All right, the wind is coming out of the south today, so we're going to take off from the trees. That should be plenty of room. Let's get this thing turned around. We might actually take it a little closer to those parking blocks because it's coming at a slight angle from my back. That should be good. Let's get it rolling. Oh, little dancey dance and then up in the air. And just trying to feel it out. I didn't check the programming too much, but I didn't see different rates. So and the roll rate's plenty fast. This airplane was dirty, really dusty in the basement. Just a testament to how long it's been since I've had it out. Let's take it up into that loop, curling it just a little bit there, just for my nerves. I'm giving it a little bit of up elevator to keep it straight. It's falling just a touch. And it's climbing in the invert, so I don't know if my trim is off or if elevator's warped maybe a little bit from sitting in storage, but it's not perfect. But boy, it hold that knife edge really nice. Got it out there a little ways. Nice and slow into the wind here. Picking up my speed as I turn back with the wind. And again, not having to push on the elevator at all during the roll because it's got a little bit of down in it already. There's some guys mowing the grass. I made sure that they were good with me being out here. He said, go for it. He said, just don't hit me. So I think we're good for a 5-minute flight. I don't plan on doing any more flying, so he was mowing the front yard. So we should be good. Trying to do the knife edge the other way. I never do that. And it worked out okay. Back in the throttle just a little bit. I did back off because it felt like it was climbing too much, so I backed out of the throttle and let it dive. Get too close to that light pole there. One thing that I forgot that I like to do is roll into those turns. Gotta make sure I get pulled out before I get down to those trees though. We don't want to bury any airplanes in the trees, especially not my second flight of the year. And I'm not comfortable with flying it inverted today simply because the way the trim's set up. If I get it inverted, I won't want to push on the sticks at all because it's already got enough lift that it would feel weird. So we're not going to. We can roll it, do loops and all that kind of fun stuff, but yeah, we don't want to back in the throttle as I come over or under, not over. I killed the throttle at the top. There we go, dead stick pass. Then back in the throttle as I turn. Doing some pretty quick laps here because I am throwing the throttle up a little bit. I am flying a 6,000, 4,000 milliamp battery, an old Ovonic, and it's doing okay. I'm pretty happy. It was not a lot, but a little swollen from sitting in storage. Probably should have put it into a storage charge a long time ago, but I can tell you, you guys might not realize this, that even though I went on my hiatus for a couple years, I wasn't planning on being away, and I kept thinking that I was going to get right back out and fly, and then I just didn't. And my timer went off saying it's time to get it on the ground, so let's get this thing lined up and see what if I can do any better than that takeoff. Boy, that takeoff was a little bit hairy with the breeze, but sure enough, the breeze has slowed down. Oh, there, flare, and turn it. Woo, just kept it out of the gravel. That was awesome. If it wouldn't have hopped on me, maybe not, but this airplane doesn't have flaps, so there was no dropping the flaps to slow it down. I probably could have got a little more slow as I came over the trees, but when I'm over those trees, I get a little bit nervous. Beautiful airplane. So guys, man, the FMS Pitts, boy, I tell you what, this has got to be probably, to me, one of their best value airplane they've ever had. And of course, if it's available, I'll have it linked in the description box where you guys can go find one. 6S, so lots of power. I do suggest if you get one of these, you leave the wings on. I've never taken these off, and it fits in my truck. And I think I had an Equinox, then I was able to put it in there too. But as long as you got a big enough vehicle, it'll fit in there. It is good size, and it looks great in the air with that red and white. It's just a so awesome airplane. Super happy to be out here with you guys again. If you like these videos, make sure you give me the thumbs up and leave some comments. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.